Time now for a full check of the forecast. Let's go ahead and send things over to meteorologist Sharon Ray. I know it's a normal feeling day this morning, but it's going to get colder, you were saying earlier.
It is. You know, here we are the last week of October here, heading into Halloween this coming Saturday, and it is definitely going to feel much more like fall this week. We have a cooler weather pattern setting up starting tomorrow, and that does continue with mild days and cool nights all the way into the weekend before we start warming up a little bit. You can see each day this weekend and early next week. So if you've been waiting for fall weather, it's coming, but rain, not so much. We will see a little bit, some spot showers here tomorrow and into early Wednesday, but for the most part, it doesn't look like a lot of rain with this. Most is going to stay north in the cooler air. We are still in tropical season, and that continues through November 30th, and it continues to be active. We have another tropical storm, Zeta, and this one is forecast to hit the northern Yucatan Peninsula later tonight and by later Wednesday, affecting the North Gulf here, possibly near New Orleans, possibly as a weak hurricane by the time we get into late Wednesday. So unfortunately, they're going to get hit again. For us, it does look like it's going to stay to our east. We have that front coming in that's going to continue to push that away from us and into the Gulf Coast area, the northern Gulf Coast. So while we have possibly Hurricane Zeta here by tonight, we're watching this cold front, that cooler air coming down in Arctic air invading the central United States. This is what we were tracking last week, and snow, very wintry weather continuing all the way down to the panhandle of Texas at this time. And you can see that bitterly cold air as it's engulfing the northern Rockies and northern plains all the way into the Great Lakes. It's also affecting North Texas this morning into the afternoon. Look at those temperatures as that temperature continues to drop. Well, we're still in the warm sector, and right now we are in the 70s across the area, but our southeast winds today, which will be a little breezy, will shift around to the north tomorrow, and with that we'll see that cooler air moving in and temperatures staying a lot cooler the rest of the week. So with that north wind tomorrow, it'll be breezy. We'll also see the potential of a spot shower. Today though, still warm. Look at these temperatures, mid to upper 80s this afternoon across the coastal bend, lower 80s at the beaches today, and then tonight we see those temperatures dropping by early morning tomorrow, feeling a lot different as you head out the door tomorrow morning. In fact, may feel a little cool to some of you with those upper 50s from Beeville to Orange Grove, lower 60s in Corpus Christi, upper 60s at the beaches tomorrow morning, and then we only make it into the 60s. Baffin Bay area southward though, still in those 70s tomorrow, but you can see as you go north, it's a little cooler, low 60s tomorrow afternoon with a spot shower chance. So that very cold air invading the north, giving them winter storm warnings in the panhandle down to Midland starting this evening. It's going to really pick up. They're looking at the potential of 2 to 4 inches of snow and a glaze of ice. And there's also winter weather advisories for the outer skirts here of that warning area. That does not include Dallas, but farther to the west of Dallas, a glaze of ice is possible. As the front moves in here, notice the rain isn't very much. We're looking at about a quarter inch, possibly up to a half an inch, and that's it. Very isolated showers through early Wednesday, and then great weather right into Halloween weekend.